So I'm here in Saguaro National Park. I'm just off the Desert Winds Trail, and there's some saguaros and a Palo Verde tree. There's a really big barrel cactus. So today's saguaro of the day, it's hidden. It's right here. You see them? They're growing kind of inside. I'm gonna get it, so pull these branches out of the way. There they are. There's a couple of small ones growing right there. It's really interesting. These saguaros, when they're young, they typically need what's called a nursing plant. I think they call it a nursing plant, but because they can't handle direct sunlight. So they need some shade. They need a bush or a plant, maybe even a tree, where they get a lot of shade when they're young. And then they usually need a little more moisture than usual. So there they are. Now I'm naming this Ermelinda. Ermelinda, because that's what the random name generator gave me. So, and by the way, there are two right there, but as it grows larger, they're so close to each other that with the root system, they will become one. It'll be one saguaro when they get older and they grow together. So that'll be interesting. So, and then the irony is, so these two saguaros will keep growing, and eventually, this is called brittle bush. This brittle bush will probably die. So it nurses the saguaros, and then it kind of has a sacrificial legacy, because then the saguaros take over. So it's a good looking one. And that's probably about maybe 10 inches tall, and probably the circumference of my fist. So they're not super young, but young enough. So there you go, Ermelinda on just off the Desert Winds Trail in Saguaro National Park. It's today's saguaro of the day. Thank you for watching.